94 miles. Alright. What up, Briz? So today, let me tell that again without showing license plates. Alright, today, two things. First of all, I changed where my mic is for like the millionth time. Hopefully, I'm trying to make it to where it doesn't peak as much, because it sounds pretty stupid. And I'm trying to, you know, I don't really talk to the camera that much, but I would like to, like, actually be able to tell what I'm saying when I do. Second, I got ND filters. Basically, I'm just trying to get motion blur on my videos because I think it would look cooler. And I'm gonna hit this trash can. So yeah. We're gonna get to it now. First, I gotta get gas though. Forgot to take off my reindeer antlers and my Rudolph nose. It's not the season anymore. It's January. Alright, let's see what this thing looks like. The one thing I'm really worried about with this ND filter is that I'm afraid if I turn, like, to check for cars and stuff, because it just slips on over the lens. I'm kind of afraid that it'll fall off, especially if I'm looking back while I'm going fast. So I don't know. I gotta get it going here in a second. Probably just gonna kind of stick around my own area, not go too far for this. Just gonna go back home. I just want to see what it looks like. It might already look pretty cool. I don't know. I mean, I'm only going 63, but we'll see what it looks like. Hopefully that looked cool. Hopefully you guys can hear me instead of just a bunch of wind also. Why are you braking so much, bro? What are you braking for? There's nobody in front of you. Why are you slamming on your brakes? I can't see anything, bro. I need a haircut. My hair's too long. It's covering my eyes. I'm a bark like a dog. I really need to get my hair out of my face. Ooh, Honda logo. Wonder how much I could sell that for. got a green light, dude. Okay, I'm just gonna try to fix it while it's going. I didn't realize when I was setting all this up that the mic was gonna be on the left side, which is the opposite side of my muffler, which means I don't know if y'all will be able to hear the bike even worse now, or what the deal's gonna be. Oh, sorry, bruh. Alright, let's pop a wheelie and then we'll go. Oh, okay, one more try. Driving like a maniac, you know. They're just weaving. Just weaving, boy. Come on, hit 172. Come on. It's fine, we're okay, we're fine. Sorry bro, I didn't mean to scare you. I scared me a little bit too. Alright, we're just gonna have to slow down. Throw my little blinker on for nobody. Okay. Well, hopefully it looks fast. Happy New Year. I don't know what else other people say. Bye, Breeze.